welcome to my channel. Today I am here with one very powerful trick in pivot table. Okay, let's start. This is my data where I have cricket players' name, their country, their IPL team which they play for, their play cost or their money they seek when they play for IPL matches, their innings, and everything. So I have a collection of a data, some regarding cricket players. Okay. Now what I want sheets generated country wise, and I need the details of the player in that sheet. For example, I need a sheet called Australia, and I want a list of players of Australia for what match IPL match they play, for how much they play, what their details, their matches they have done, and everything. So and like this I need for every country which are here. So just to do this very tedious task, what I'll do, I'll take help with pivot table. How? Let's say insert pivot table. My selection has come. Those who are not comfortable with the pivot table, let me know in the comment box. I'll make a video for the pivot table also. Okay, so now I want the sheets created for team or the country. What details I require? I require my player's name, my IPL matches they have played, and for what amount they charge for playing. Let do this name below this IPL match, it look better. So in the manner you want your presentation to be in pivot table, you can create in that manner. That will be the presentation for your every sheet also. Fine. Now what I'll do, I'll go to pivot table analyze. The way I'm telling here will be same in the case of Windows also. No difference is there. Okay, if any difference is there I will tell that this is for MacBook and this is for Windows. But here whatever I'm doing here will be same in Windows too. So I'll go this pivot table analyze, will go to this option. In Windows the option tab is generally here. Okay, and in MacBook it's here, and I'll go a little arrow beside this. Here also you will get a little arrow beside option in Windows also. Fine, I'll click and I'll go show report filter pages. Click. It will ask for the which pages I need to see. So since I have one header only, it's showing one. If I have multiple header, I can choose as per my convenience. Also, I'll select this. I'll see. Okay, so guys, be ready to see the beautiful magic here. Ta-da! Wow, so many sheets, so many data in an organized form in just a second. So see, for Australia, these are the Australian uh, players, and they are match IPL match wise, like for what IPL match which player have played. For Bangladesh, only one player is there. We can check is it true. See for Bangladesh. Okay, Bangladesh. Yeah, it's one player only. See, so this is the magic of pivot table. It's very less known but very beautiful and very powerful feature. Thank you guys. Thank you for looking this information, and do subscribe, like, and share this video so it can motivate me to make more and more videos for you. Thank you.